Go to www.mixer.com. Click the ringtones box so only ringtones will come up in your search. Type in the song of your choice and the artist. Choose the song you were looking for or one that may look better. You could customize your song so the ringtone is your favorite part or choose to just download it. Here you can choose the length of your ringtone. Some let you choose a part of the song you wish to make a ringtone. You can click the fade out button so the ringtone won't sound choppy when it is over. Type in your cell phone number, or if you don't already have an account, sign up for free. Enter your password. Click sign in, or if you have put in your information to sign up, click register. Click send ringtone. The ringtone will be sent to your phone with a link to your new ringtone.